Morning students, we have done sound of A, E and I. हमने sound of A, E और I के words 12 कर लिए हैं. Today we start sound of O. आज हम sound of O के only 4 words करेंगे. Now write with me. First word is B O Y, boy. B O Y, boy. Speak and write with me. Next word is T O Y, toy. T O Y, toy. Next one is F O X, fox. F O X, fox. Write slanting. Next one is B O X, box. One time more I write B O Y, boy. T O Y, toy. F O X, fox. B O X, box. Like this one, you have to complete full page.